Vanying, Vanying about, Vanying about. Let's get a monster now. So, I'm going to go find these 4 waterfalls, have a gleg at them, and then go back to the hotel. Yeah, but bit of a misjudgment, to be honest. It was an hour to get here. I had a big breakfast, and I think Charlie needs to come out the chocolate factory, if you know what I mean. Anyway, let's get ready to ramble. Okay, this is the start of the 4 Waterfalls trail. Are you equipped for a walk in waterfall country? If wearing shorts in 4 degrees constitutes, then yeah, bang ready for it, mate. Bring on them waterfalls. Let's go. Let's get ready to ramble. Do you hear what I hear? It's not too shabby, is it? And that's the first one that's supposed to be the little one. Oi! Come here! Oi! Oh, looks like dinner to me. Oh, look at that bit of mint sauce. Yeah. Thought the Welsh was supposed to be friendly. Look, so I found this mountain path underneath the cliff, but it's fair to say it's a bit of a drop to that side. Wish me luck. We got through it. So I've climbed down. It's fair to say I'm crag hopping. Yeah, none of that public footpath shit with me. So I've stopped for an apple. Have a look at the view. That's not too shabby, is it? All the way down, and it goes right up there, right around the corner. So I'm going to follow this cliff edge round and hopefully not die. But I'm going to have an apple first, so catch you in a bit. Unbelievable. Look at it. And there's supposed to be a water shortage. Whatever. Woohoo! Banana time. Waterfall! That's the one I'm going to walk behind. Come on, I'm excited! Time to get this wet through. We're under a waterfall. Mental. What a force of nature stood behind there though, seriously. Magnificent. Oh. On the way back up, these are called, affectionately, the bastard steps. Oh yeah. Yeah, that describes them adequately. But yeah, put it on your list, but don't do it twice. I've done it. I ain't going back there again. Magnificent now. I am going straight now on a grassy knoll. Somewhere just there, I think. Yeah. Oh, wringing clothes out, piss wet through. So that's it. That's all 4 waterfalls done. Yeah. Believe it or not, blue skies, and it's just been hailstone. Is that all about? Let's get back to the van and go get some lard. So that's 4 waterfalls, one day. Yeah. What have I took from it? All I'll say is, if you're thinking of doing the 4 Waterfalls walk and you're over 50 and maybe borderline type 2 diabetes and you do like a big dinner, maybe go to Norfolk because it's flat. Nice though, very nice. I wouldn't want to do it with the sun beating down. It was just pleasant at 8 degrees. A little bit nippy in the shorts, you know, around the old Betty's, but we've survived. Right, I'm going to work some lard now, I'm starving. See you later, ta-da! You can still reach the stars, lying in a gutter. True love could be waiting, just a heartbeat away. Just a moment in time can change your life forever. Just believe in yourself, go make tomorrow today. Make tomorrow today. You might feel like you're walking down a road to nowhere, but your pot of gold might be waiting for you when you get there. When you can't see the sunshine for the pouring rain, just remember there's always tomorrow to start over again. Before the lights go down and fade away, go make tomorrow today. Go make tomorrow today. Go make tomorrow today. Go make tomorrow today. Open up your heart, let the music play. Before the lights go down and fade away, go make tomorrow today. 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 Go make tomorrow Vanying, Vanying about, Vanying about.